We're three sisters, and in 2016 we started the blog site The3Growbags.com. Now we'd like to tell you a little bit more about ourselves, so we thought we'd introduce ourselves.
Hi, I'm Elaine. I'm the eldest of the 3Growbag sisters. I was a classics teacher, I've got 3 children. I've got a garden in Eastbourne, a much larger one in Normandy. And I've got things that I absolutely love. Cottage gardening, I love roses, and I love picking veg for my little plot at the end of the day.
I'm middle sister Laura. I garden here in lovely West Sussex. And my thing is rare and unusual plants. I like...
Odd.
I'm married to a farmer, as well as being a mum, and I've had various conservation roles during my career. But I like nothing more than rummaging through the reject bin at a garden centre and nursing the poor little things back to life again. But I've also learnt loads by all my trips to RHS Risley, which is quite close.
And I'm Caroline. I'm the youngest Growbag sister and the most attractive, obviously. I went into communications and journalism. I live in the Scottish Highlands. I've just built a lovely eco house there, and I'm really enjoying just setting about the garden. My sisters think I know nothing about gardening. I know more than they think, honestly. Now, my favourite thing, apart from a glass of wine at the end of the day, is probably just finding that tiny shoot on a plant which tells me that I haven't killed it. I'm sure there's a few. Now, if we've got the techno side sorted out, the next thing you should see will be a link, and if you click on it, you can become one of our subscribers, and we'd love you to join us.